Alright guys, now I will start working on removing this battery tray. All this area, make it nice, and I have to see how much rust we have there. Hopefully it's nothing too horrible. We will see, but I need to take care of this area. Okay guys, I removed this cowl assembly. I'm going to be cleaning it. The crazy thing what I found out guys is you guys will actually not believe me probably, but this is the craziest thing that I've ever seen. There's supposed to be a blower motor right here, but this blower motor is gone. They installed a different blower motor, like the heater box and stuff like that, behind the dash. It's the craziest thing you've ever seen. These these are supposedly AC lines. They cut this thing out right there. They did some shady stuff to this car, unfortunately. But that's what we have today, guys. Gotta clean all these drains. And apparently they put some silicone right there too. I guess so a lot of dust doesn't go inside the car or something. Yeah, it's pretty insane to be honest with you, because there's supposed to be a blower motor right here, but it's not there, sadly. So yeah, this is very unfortunate, guys. And as of right now, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything with that or what I'm gonna be focused on, but mainly I just want to clean this area up, make it nicer here. Okay, guys, so this car was missing the battery hold down, which goes right there, and I ended up getting one, and it was rusty, so I cleaned everything up, all the rust, and I painted this thing. So now I'm gonna install this thing so my battery doesn't flop around. Okay, that thing is installed. Now I know that this one is not the correct uh, battery hold down plate bracket for the W124 because this is usually installed on W126, but this works just fine. And in the future, I'm gonna look for the one for 124, but right now it serves its purpose and it looks good.